like for you to join me on an adventure I'm calling Bake Off Calories, where we create healthier versions of delicious baked goods inspired by the Great British Baking Show, or Great British Bake Off if you're in the UK. A show that truly took what was once just a casual hobby of mine and turned it into a true passion. Between the witty British humor, camaraderie, and drama in the tent, Paul, Prue, Mary, Sue, Mel, Noel, truly what's not to love. But let's not forget the most important ingredient, the delicious bakes. Over the years, as I began baking more and more, I realized I couldn't keep consuming the calorically dense, delicious treats full of fat and sugar. My skinny jeans and scale reminded me, maybe I should rethink some of those key ingredients. And while I've had some hits and misses over the years, I have come to realize that you don't have to trim flavor to trim the calories. So my goal with Bake Off Calories is to bring you the tried and true recipes, delicious but healthier, cleaner, and more macro-friendly, still inspired by the Great British Baking Show. Without further ado, if you're ready, then get set and let's bake off the calories.